Everyone's telling you to use AI to make money, but the problem is AI is moving so fast and so many tools are coming out every other day, you end up more confused than when you started. I've tested hundreds of AI tools, built my own business with them too, and you only need 5. A brain, a builder, a creative studio, an automator, and a content engine. 5 roles, 5 tools, and I'm going to show you exactly how each one pays. Tool number 1, the brain. Every stack needs a brain, and yours is an LLM, which stands for a large language model. So ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, it doesn't matter which one, the foundation is everything. But here's what most people get wrong. They use it like Google. They ask it random questions and they get random answers. That's not how you make money. The money is in the systems. This is the tool that makes every other tool on this list more powerful. It writes your marketing copy, your emails, your business plans, your video scripts, and it's great for ideating and brainstorming. It analyzes your competitors, brainstorms your offers, and writes your own proposals. Anything that involves thinking, writing, or problem solving, an LLM becomes a great partner when it comes to doing that. And if you guys want the exact prompt templates I use for that, you guys could get it down below in my school community. But here's the real unlock. It's not just a writing tool. An LLM is the co-pilot for your entire business. You'll use it inside every single tool I'm about to show you. It's the brain that runs the whole stack. And speaking of the stack, what if you could use that brain for actual products, like building apps, websites, software without writing a single line of code? That leads us to tool number 2, the builder. This is the one that changes everything. AI code editors, which you've probably seen a lot of buzz about lately. The big ones are Cursor, Claude Code, and Anti-Gravity. They all do the same thing. You describe what you want in plain English and the AI writes code for you. Cursor is the most popular one with like billions of dollars in revenue, and Claude Code lives in your terminal, and it's insane for complex projects. I actually made a video of how I built my whole entire marketing stack with this, and you guys could check it out right here if you guys are curious. I would say to watch a few more videos about any of these tools because it's like unlocking a superpower once you know how to use it. Think about this. The old model was, okay, I have an idea, I'll hire a developer, a marketing strategist, pay 10 to 50K, wait 3 months and hope it works. Now you just describe what you want, ship it in the same week, and people are calling it vibe coding. And trust me, it's not a gimmick. This is just the beginning and it's only gonna get easier. Real products are being built with this right now and people are making some serious money. The easiest entry point is building a micro SaaS, which means software as a service. Simple tools that solve one specific problem. A Chrome extension that does one thing, a calculator for a niche industry, a booking page for a specific type of business. These aren't billion-dollar apps. They're small, useful tools you can charge $10 to $50 a month for it. Build it in a weekend, put it on a landing page, and run some ads. People are making 1 to 5K a month from a single micro SaaS tool. Second, build for other people. Every local business, every coach, every small brand needs a website, a dashboard, a booking system, something custom. Before AI, that was probably like a 5 to 10K project. Now you can build it in days, charge 2 to 5K, and deliver it in the same week. Third, and this is a sneaky one, but that's prototyping. If you have a startup idea, don't pitch it in a slide deck. Build a working prototype in a weekend and show people the real thing. Investors, partners, even early customers. Nothing sells a product they can actually click on. Even if you never sell the app itself, the ability to build fast gives you leverage in every business conversation. This is basically what made Steve Jobs a genius. You can think and build, but what about content that actually looks incredible? Well, tool number 3 is the creative studio, and that's Higgsfield. It's a full creative studio and you get access to multiple AI models all in one place. The problem with AI creative tools is the fragmentation. Midjourney for images, a separate tool for video, and Google has a complex interface that's not really friendly for beginners or new users. Higgsfield puts that all under one roof. One of their tools lets you create your own AI influencer. Brands pay 2 to 10K per month for this. You create a character, style them, and generate their own content library. I did a whole video breaking this down, and if you guys are curious, you guys could check that out right here too. People are using their own workflows to scale like never before, like Nano Banana Pro plus JSON prompting that gives you blueprint level control and agency quality output. Plus, if you guys want the exact templates I use when it comes to that and for client work, those are inside the Future Creator Lab on my School community, and the link is in the description so you guys could access that down below. You can think, build, and create, but most people hit a wall right there. They can't scale. Tool number 4 is the automator. This is N8N. If you don't know what that is, listen up. This is one of the most highest paying AI skills in 2026, open source workflow automation. Here's the crazy part. Most businesses are still doing everything manually in 2026. Copying data between spreadsheets, sending emails one by one, and that's your opportunity. You can create an AI automation agency. You build workflows for businesses, lead comes in, AI qualifies them, sends personalized emails and books a call and updates the CRM. Even one workflow could pay $2 to $5K to set that up, and you could charge $500 to $1,500 a month just to maintain it. And that's how you could keep clients on retainer. New agencies are hitting $5 to $15K per month within 6 months just by doing this. And even if you never sell a single automation, automating your own business saves you 10 to 20 hours a week. And here's where the stack starts compounding. You can connect Claude Code directly to N8N. There's an MCP integration that lets Claude Code build entire N8N workflows for you in natural language. You describe the automation you want, Claude Code builds it, deploys it, done. You don't even need to drag and drop anymore. That means you can spin up client automations faster, charge the same price, and pocket more profit. The tools in the stack don't just work individually, they actually multiply each other. And once you get more familiar with Claude Code, you can even see how you could combine that with the Creative Studio and automate your own content. And finally, the last one is actually a bundle, since it lets you produce professional content without a camera, studio, or even your own face. And that's the content engine. You can think, build, create, and automate, but none of it matters if you can't get attention. And in 2026, video is still attention. There are people right now building systems that is making them money with faceless content. The content engine is actually a bundle, 3 tools that roughly do the same thing and lets you produce content at scale. One of these tools is HeyGen. It lets you create realistic talking head videos with AI avatars. You type a script, pick a voice, and it generates a polished video. This is perfect for explainer videos, course content, product walkthroughs, even internal training for clients. If you're selling digital products or building a personal brand but don't want to be on camera, this is your shortcut. Then there's ArcAds and Make UGC. Both of these generate UGC style video ads with AI actors. You've probably seen some in your feed already. Hundreds of realistic creators to choose from. You write the script, pick your actor, and get a TikTok ready ad in just minutes. ArcAds has a massive actor library and is great for volume. Make UGC gives you a ton of customization, different hooks, CTAs, and variations that you could all split test. If you're running ads for e-commerce brands or building a creative agency, these tools alone can pay for your entire stack. And here's where their full stack comes together. The brain writes your scripts, the builder creates your landing pages, the Creative Studio designs your visuals, the automator distributes everything, and the content engine produces content at scale. 5 tools, 1 system, the whole pipeline from idea to income. Now with AI moving so fast and the overwhelm it could bring, I'm building a school community for future creators that want to stay ahead with all the newest tools and trends. So subscribe to the channel as well, and if you want to dive deeper and get the exact workflows, prompt templates, and AI blueprints that I mentioned in this video, you can find that in the community in the link below. Well, I'll see you guys on the next one, and thanks for watching this video. Peace.